channel. My name is Jennifer. For those who are new, welcome. And for those who are back, welcome back, y'all. Today we're going to go over the powders of the new Holiday Chanel Collection 2020, the Le Chains de Chanel collection. You guys, I'm so excited. I've been testing these out for a little bit now. These are not first impressions at all. There are 4 eyeshadows within this holiday collection. I purchased all 4 of them to show you today, as well as the illuminating blush. There's only one illuminating blush and we are gonna see that applied today. I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's do it. I'm so excited to show you these powders, you guys. I have been trying them out for a couple days now. So this is not a first impressions. I've been really trying these powders, you guys, and I'm really excited. I'm so excited to share them with you. I have foundation, bronzer, and just a teeny bit of this Gucci powder down around my T-zone, just right here. I will leave everything in the description box below so that you guys can check out what I do have on right now. But we're gonna get into the powders themselves. When I say powders, there's 4 eyeshadows. They all have this very shimmer. They're not really metallic. They're more of a really pretty shimmer. They're just so beautiful. I'll share swatches with you guys as well so that you can see them here. You can see how gorgeous they are, you guys. I just really loving these eyeshadows. I mean, spoiler alert, did I just give it away? I think I did. Oh, bless. No, I just really do. I think that the original promotional pictures, and I said this in my recent video when I was talking about, I think I was talking about the lipsticks, or maybe in the swatch video that I recently did. I'll link up above in the eye so that you guys can check those out. I'll link them down below so you can check them out after this if you'd like to learn more about them or see more about them. But I really feel that the promotional pictures of these products did not do them any justice, you guys. And you'll see as we apply them. So I'm actually going to do this a little bit differently. I'm going to sweep each shadow on both lids so that you can see really what it looks like on my eyes. Then I'm going to use all 4 shadows for one look after we've kind of swatched each shade on the lid itself so that you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like all together, because the color stories really kind of seamlessly blend together well. And I really like that. So let's start with the lightest shade, which is the Or Blanc 926. I'm actually going to sweep this all over the lid. I'm using a Smith 256, and I'm just tapping that in and sweeping all over the lid. This is 926 Or Blanc. Next, we're going to try this beautiful gold. This is 925 Or Antique, and we're going to sweep that all over the lids for our swatch. Little bit of fallout with this particular shade, but not terrible. If you use a fluffier brush, it will have a little bit of fallout just because it is more on that shimmer side. This is 925 Or Antique. Next, we're going in with this beautiful rose gold. This is 927 Curvy Rose. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. But let me show you what it looks like on. gorgeous. If I want to take my finger and really get more pigment and more shine, you can do that with these. So it just is a matter of application for these particular products. Ooh, I really like this shade, you guys. This is 927 Curvy Rose. Last but not least, we have this beautiful CUIR BRUN shade. It is 928 CUIR BRUN. Guys, this looked so dark to me in the promotional photos. I thought, no way. There's no way I can wear this. It's way too dark. It is not at all. And I'm very surprised at that. But I want to show you what it looks like. So let's try it on. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. It's a really cool, I don't even know how to explain it. It's almost like this cool tone brown that is deep. And this, of course, I would more so wear in the crease, but I wanted to swatch it on the eye for you so that you can see what it looks like. And it's not as sparkly as the other ones. This one does have a very more muted sparkle effect, if that makes sense. Let's do the other eye. I'm not used to seeing myself with this deep of a shadow, but wow, it is a good shadow. It's almost, I don't know how to explain it. It's a good shade. It's deep, don't get me wrong, but it's not too deep to where it's like not brightening your eyes. I feel like my eyes are standing out. So this is the swatch of the deepest shade in the collection. This is 928 CUIR BRUN. And if you can see super closely, it kind of shifts a little gold. And I think that's what makes it so beautiful. All right, let's create a look using all of these shades, shall we? So what do we start with? Should we start with the deepest and work our way to the lightest? Maybe so. I think so. I'm gonna go in with this CUIR BRUN, the one you just saw, and I am going to go in the crease with this. I'm not gonna go deep, not as deep as what we did before, but just very light-handed, kind of outline the crease. And this is a Sonia G brush. It is phenomenal for my hooded eyes because I need smaller crease brushes for that to be able to get into the smaller portions of my eye. This is a Sonia G Classic Crease. Look at that. Oh, I told you guys it's so good. This one is so good. I don't sleep on this shade, you guys. I don't ever really say that. I don't say stuff like that. But I really think this shade is just beautiful. And I probably would not have gotten it, honestly, because it is deeper. It's not like that pop of beautiful gold or rose gold or anything like that like the other ones, but this one just defines the eye so well and gives such a pretty shadow. Like, look at this. You guys, with just this hint of shimmer, and I think they did that on purpose. I think they did that. Oh my gosh. Okay, see how light this is? It's not deep. You can deepen it up. The pigment's there, guys, I promise. But that's gorgeous. Okay, I'm thinking this rose gold, the Curvy Rose, is next. And I think I'm going to take this right here, just on the outer portion of my lid. Kind of see how that works. Right here. And I'm really kind of working this in because I want more color just right here. So see how this kind of makes my eyes look somewhat bigger? It's so pretty. And it really, this shade itself really highlights my eye color in a lot of ways. Very beautiful. Next, we're gonna go in with this beautiful gold shade. This is the Antique 925. And I'm going right here on the center just to give it a pop. And I'm blending that with the other shades and going right up into the crease some. Last but not least, I'm going in with this shade here, or BLANC 926. I feel like this is the most neutral of the shades that they have. I cleaned off my Smith brush. I'm really liking the Smith brush, but I'm just going in right here, really highlighting and blending that into the gold. See how it just opens the eye right here? Wow, very beautiful. So that is using all 4 shades on the lid, but I think what I'm gonna do now is take this shade here, the Curvy Rose, and I'm going to line my eyes underneath with this, just using a flat definer brush by Sonia G, and going in right here. And then going under here. So what I like about these powders, especially these higher shimmer ones, not the deepest one, is that it isn't so glittery or shimmery that you can't use it under the eye or you couldn't use it to line it. I think it's beautiful, you guys. It is so stunning, and I think you can use it in a variety of ways. I am going to take this shade, I'm going to go right in, kind of just tight line right here to give it just a bit of a shadow. And I didn't wet the brush. I don't want it to be too stark, just a little bit here. So you can kind of see how that just fades into the eye. Look how beautiful that is on the eye. Wow. Now I'm just taking a blender brush here and I'm just blending to blend this together a little bit more so it looks more seamless. And I'll put mascara on and I'll be right back. So that is the final eye look, y'all. Oh, I love it. I think it's just perfect for the holidays. I think it's so beautiful. Just absolutely fun and easy. It was so easy. I mean, these shadows are so easy to blend, not difficult to work with. Even the deepest one, it's fairly simple to blend. All right, let's go in to this beautiful, beautiful compact. This is a Le Shane Stay Chanel Illuminating Blush Powder, y'all, and can I just say, it's very beautiful. I am going to take a Scott Barnes 67 brush, and I am just going to swirl like this, and really just go on the cheeks. When Chanel said that they were launching an illuminating blush powder, I was kind of nervous. I don't do really well with a lot of super glittery products on my skin since it's super dry. I'm 35. Although I'm just not 20 anymore, you know? So for me, it's something that I personally sometimes have trouble with because it tends to accentuate pores and make my skin look dry and not smooth. But this is really pretty. I mean, it gives a beautiful luminosity to the skin, shifts a tad a tad gold, like rose gold. Now, this reminds me, I know y'all are gonna ask, so look at these. I mean, if you have this, do you need this? Let's look at the difference. So here is a swatch of each. You can see that this is the illuminating blush on the bottom. On the top is the eyeshadow. They are a little bit different in tone, not too much, but the illuminating eyeshadow has a lot more of that sheen effect than the illuminating blush. It's a matter of preference. You could totally use this as an eyeshadow, definitely. It may not give as much sheen as this one though. Let's finish off the look with one of the new lipsticks from the line. I do have the lipstick video and I'll link that above in the eye so that you guys can go check that out after this. The lipstick video was so fun. I got to show you 3 of the 4 lipsticks, and I think today we are going to do, oh, I don't even know. What should I do? Should I do the nude? I feel like the nude is calling my name. 107 or beige maybe? But I do want to go in with a lip liner this time. I kind of want to show you what that looks like with a lip liner because I think it provides a different feel to it. This is the lip liner in Nude BRUN. This is, I love this lip liner. I've used a lot of it already. In my lipstick video, I did not use a lip liner at all, so you'll see the shades there without any lip liner. This is Or Beige, and it has a little bit of sparkle to it. They're beautiful. They are a little bit more expensive than their normal lipsticks, which, I don't know, I think it's just because of the holiday line. But let's try this on. Adding a lip liner just gives it a whole nother effect, and it's beautiful. I love this. I love sharing these with you, and I hope that the swatches were helpful. Let me know down in the comments below if that's something that you really enjoyed. It's a little different for me, but I thought it might be helpful to see them on their own and then also do a look to get, you know, with them all together because they do complement each other very well. I do really enjoy this illuminating blush. It's not too much, it's just enough. That beautiful flush for kind of the fall winter. Lovely. So beautiful. This collection is so chic, you guys. It just really embodies Chanel itself. I feel like the brand is shining through this collection in a lot of ways, and I feel like when I've said this a couple times already, but I feel like when I initially saw the promotional pictures for this line, I was not wowed. When you see these in person and you use these formulas and you see them on, they are so sophisticated, beautiful, chic, just elegant and very holiday inspired. And I feel like you can, I don't know, I just feel like she's wearing Chanel. I don't know, maybe not, but I just really feel beautiful in this look, honestly, and empowered and very chic. Classy and fabulous, y'all. Anywho's, I hope you guys are having a great day. Please chat in the comments. I love chatting with y'all. Let me know what your favorite shade is down below. If you're planning on picking any of these up, I'd love to know that as well. I will link my latest video right here, and I'll see you over there. Bye, y'all.